Hey everybody, my name is Trevor. Welcome to Transporter Tech. And in this video, I'm going to be comparing the Logitech C920 to the iPhone 7's camera to see which is better, which is better for me, might be better for you. So that is coming up, my friends. So, if you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, you know that I'm working on my recording setup to try to streamline the process as much as possible. And I've been using my iPhone camera all this time. And it's a great camera, it works very well, but I found that it takes a little too much effort to get it set up properly, you know? So, from going to being a device you use as your phone to a device you use as a camera, and then if I want to get the footage out of the phone and into my PC, I gotta go through all this bunch of steps, and it's really, yeah, I don't know. So I picked up the Logitech C920. Basically, I'm going to edit the two. I'm recording on both devices right now, and I'm going to edit them together so you see them on the screen at the same time. And as I'm looking at it right now, the iPhone looks a little better. I think it's a bit clearer, a little bit sharper. I think my hat's a little off. Yeah. So, I mean, I think ultimately, I'm using the default camera app in the iPhone. Normally, I like to use an app in the iPhone called Filmic Pro. Maybe I'll do a review on that sometime. I'll put a link to that in the description. There'll be a link to the Logitech C920 in the description. It's only about $50 right now on Amazon. Yeah. So, you know, check that one out. But yeah, I'm looking, I got the iPhones here and my Logitech's here. And yeah, the iPhone looks a little bit, I tried to tweak the settings to get them to look close to the same. I don't know. I like the iPhone does look a little bit better, but not so much that it really should matter too much. For me, it's worth it to get the convenience and the quick ability in my PC to just hit record and go, not have to worry about switching from using a device as my phone into the PC, like I said. But yeah, that's mostly it. There's plenty of reviews about the C920. I'm not going to go too much into detail. Maybe I will. But it seems like a pretty good webcam. This is my first video using it. We'll see how it goes from there. Yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Definitely have a look at it, read some reviews, look at some YouTube videos. It's a pretty good camera. For $50, it's not bad. I don't know, I thought maybe it might look as good as the iPhone. It has more megapixels than the rear-facing camera that I'm using right now does on it. So, I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description below. And if you're interested in buying it, I'll put an affiliate link in the description, or you could visit the website www.transportertech.com. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and have a good one. Peace.